channel. It is Tay Rosé. Now for this video is long overdue. It's not a requested video. It's something that I feel should be done because we tend to put these palettes away and then forget about it. So I'm going to, and I know you already see the thumbnail and you already see the makeup looks. So I'm going to be doing my recreation project on the ABH Norvina palette. Now, almost 5 years ago, I bought this palette and I love the colors in here. It was so enchanting, it was so beautiful, so I felt that I had to buy it. And so I bought it and it looked so much nicer. I mean, the purple was purple, but now it's very dirty. I know a lot of ABH fans are gonna be like, ugh, this is disgusting. Sorry, not sorry, but I mean, this shows that I use my palette, okay? I'm just gonna show you the inside really quickly. I can say from now, I panned on 5 colors in here, as you can tell, and you can see the color that is the colors that I use most often based on my comfort level. So what I'm going to do, in honor of me using all these palettes, I'm going to recreate 3 looks from Pinterest, and you're going to see pictures of them off to the side in which I'm going to create, and then you're going to see how it looks on myself versus how it looks on that person, even though it's just as their eyes for the most part, but you're going to see the difference between 2. I may tweak in my way here and there. I'm going to stop chit-chatting. I'm going to move on to look number 1. So I'm just gonna give you my final thoughts on this 5 years later. I forgot how good this palette was. Like, the shimmers in here, they are very creamy. I forgot how creamy these shimmers were until today, and when I was starting to use this palette. The mattes now acts the same as how it did before, where however it looks on the pan doesn't look like how it is on my eyelids. Soul is my first time really digging into Soul a lot, and it's like a purple gray. This one kind of shows, but how it looks on other people, it looks different on myself for obvious reasons, okay? But I can say that I still love the ABH Norvina palette, and now, sadly, unfortunately, because I was trying to put it in the description box below, this is sold out, or this ain't out of stock, but notify me when it's back in stock. But I did find some amazing dupes, both by Profusion and by W7 Cosmetics, that will be in the description box below. The W7 Violent Lights is the perfect dupe. The pan story, it is identical to what ABH Norvina has in store. Okay? So I say definitely get that one. And if you can't get the one by W7 from Amazon, then I would say go to the Profusion one, because that is the second best dupe that I've seen. And this is going through an extensive amount of research after realizing that this palette is out of stock. Let me know which other palette you would like to see me recreate with 3 eyeshadow looks. The ones that I have, all the existing eyeshadow palettes I have. My goal is to use my eyeshadow palettes that I have here, because I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes here, and I feel like they get neglected, and I don't want to neglect them anymore. I want to start taking advantage of what I have here and really get my creativity flowing. So again, any other palettes you want me to reuse, or let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. Make sure you check out the previous videos in the section that's coming up next, and I will see you there. Bye.